Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Thursday and I just got back in from Nordstrom. So last night I went online and I just placed a small order for pickup, just some stuff that I thought about at the last minute that I wanted to get after I was browsing. Yeah, I thought I would share with you all what I picked up today. Also got a coffee too. I got the almond latte with almond milk. Yeah, that was really good. So I don't know what it is. I feel like every time I go into Nordstrom I have to stop and get coffee now. I don't know, it's a thing. It won't last long, don't worry. That was really good. So anywho, I did a pickup order. I just got a new pair of earrings. All right, so here are the earrings that I got. They're the same exact earrings that I got last year during the sale, except they're sterling silver but 14 karat gold plated, and these are 3 carat total weight, and I think these are only 2. So I just wanted to get a new pair because I really love these earrings. They just look so good, and I love studs. They're my favorite type of earring. I'm not a really big hoops girl. I'm not a hoops girl at all, to be honest. I prefer studs, so I got those. And then I got a new pair of slippers because why not? I feel like I got a pair of slippers the last sale too. I did, yes. So I ended up getting the maxi curly scuffette slippers in this like ivory cream color, and they just look like this. They're so comfortable, y'all. They just feel so good on the feet. I love that they have a really nice rubber bottom, and you can see here it just has like, it's like a little suede tag that says UGG. So yeah, they also have them in gray and pink, but obviously I went with the neutral color because that's just my preference. But I'll show you guys how they look on my feet somewhere here, but they're so cute. So cute. So I got those, and then the last thing I got is a set of pajamas. Now I'm not a sleep in pajamas girl. I'm more of a lounge around the house pajama girl. So I wanted to pick up a new pair. I got this pink set, and I ended up going with the long sleeve version. They also have a short sleeve version. I just didn't like the way the short sleeve looked. I like the long sleeve better. And I got this in a size large because I like for my pajamas to just be like more comfy and loose, not too tight and restricting. And so I got the pants and I got the matching top, and I love this shade of pink. It's so pretty. And so yeah, and these pajamas, y'all, feel so good. So this is called the Pink Yarrow. Original price is $75. They're on sale for $49. The shoes are, where's the receipt? The shoes were $69, And I think the original price is like 120 something maybe. Yeah, and then the earrings were like 30, I think. I can't remember, but I'll leave all this stuff linked below. But yeah, that's all I got on this trip. I just wanted to go in. I know I went in the other day, but since today was like my official day that I could shop, I wanted to go in and see if they had like updated anything or if there was anything new that I didn't see, and there wasn't. Everything is still in there that I saw the first time I went. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. I really want to put these pajamas on now, but I'm gonna wait. Also, I've been obsessed with my robe. I've literally been living in that robe since I got it. So many of you were saying that you were going to get it too, so I hope you guys are able to get your hands on it, because I just look forward to wearing that robe every single day. Like, I look forward to putting my robe on and just cozying up every single day. So definitely get your hands on that robe. Like I said, if you don't get anything else during the sale, get that robe or get a pair of pajamas. These pajamas are everything. They are so nice. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make like a taco salad. I've got some ground turkey in the refrigerator, and I think I have lettuce. I think so. So anywho, I'm gonna go ahead, make my lunch, and it'll probably be lunch and dinner for the day. But yeah, I just wanted to pop in and say hi. Hope you guys are doing well. Share with you guys what I picked up today, and yeah, I'll check in with you guys a little bit later. Alright guys, happy Friday. So I just finished filming the sit down portion of a try on haul video that will be up for you guys sometime next week. I threw on my pajamas that I shared with you all yesterday. Y'all, I'm obsessed with these pajamas. I want to order more. Like, that's how much I love them. Like, they feel so good. And these are the large. Now, they are big, but I like that. Like, I like how it's so comfortable. The pants are good. I'm wearing my little slippers. I'm just really, really feeling these pajamas. So I'm probably gonna order another pair, just one more pair, and then that's it. Cause I don't need a whole bunch of them. I just need a couple little different sets to throw on when I'm just home chilling. Like, oh, love this. So anywho, I've been watching The Bear. Obsessed. If you have not watched The Bear, it's on Hulu. It's on FX, but it's streaming on Hulu. It's so good, y'all. If you were a Shameless fan, you'll like it. So yeah, that's what I've been watching. I'm just finishing season 2, and I want to start it all over again. Like, that's how good it is. But yeah, I just had to share that with you guys. So with that being said, it's lunchtime. PJ's down for his nap, and I decided, you know, I think I want to make an omelet because one of the episodes, one of the chefs made an omelet and it looked so good. Now, I'm not a good omelet maker at all. I don't ever make omelets, but her omelet looked so good. It was just a cheese omelet. It looked so good. So I was like, ooh, I want to make an omelet now. That's the thing when you watch like restaurant shows, and this is not like a reality cooking show or anything like that. It's a legit like scripted show series that's so good. It's really, really good. Just explaining it to my friend Tiff on Instagram, because she was like, what is this, Bear? And I was like, you gotta watch it. It's so good. It's so inspiring. It's just a really good show. If you want to kind of get away from the reality TV for a minute, this is a good show to just kind of like binge, you know. It's like 10 episodes for each season. I think the first season is 8 episodes, and then the second is 10 episodes. So I'm probably gonna re-watch it. And I do have a book here that was recommended that I need to start reading. Can't remember who it was, but one of you all recommended this book to me. So I really need to dig into this, but yeah, I'll probably do that this weekend. Like at the pool or something, when it's just me and I don't have the baby with me. I want to get started on that. So yeah, but until then, I'm gonna rewatch The Bear because it's so good, and I'm about to make me an omelet, a cheese omelet. So yeah, I'm gonna turn y'all around and let y'all watch me make. Alright guys, PJ is now up from his nap, so I think we're gonna go for a little afternoon walk, go to the park, let him burn some energy because as you can see, he's busy. But before we go, because I'm thinking about wearing what just came for me, I was hoping it came with my other stuff that I got. It came separate. So you guys know I love my On running shoes, and these I actually had been thinking about getting long before the sale. I actually saw one of the moms at Seth's school with a pair, and I was just like, those are so interesting looking. Like, I had never seen that style before, and so these are not going to be everyone's cup of tea. I'll just let you know that right now. However, because I do a lot of walking around here, and I just wanted something different and a little fun and colorful, I thought I would go with these. So that's what I got, and they're so comfortable. If you guys have not tried on a pair of On Cloud running shoes, just go in the store and try them on. I'm telling you, they are everything. So they are, I said, they're not everyone's cup of tea. So I did get the On Cloud Monster, I think that's what they're called. Yeah, Cloud Monster. And the colorway is Fawn and Turmeric. Y'all, when I saw that woman at the school pickup, I was like, oh my goodness. And then I saw the sign, I was like, those are so interesting looking. So they're black, orange sole, and then they have a little white detailing here. This part is just like a tan, it's not like white. And then it has like some lavender detailing here and here. I just thought these looked so cool. I am not a Haka fan at all. I feel like they look like orthopedic shoes. I just don't like them. But I feel like On was like, oh, okay, Haka, we got you. And they kind of created their own version is what I'm gathering. But I'm here for it. I like it and I'm excited to wear them. So yeah, they had other colors too. They had like 3 different colorways. They had like an all blue, and then they had a white with like some blue. And I almost got the all white, but I was like, no, I want to do something different and unexpected because this is just so out there for me. But because a lot of my... Please keep the floor unobstructed. You want to vacuum? Okay, we're vacuuming now. Because I wear a lot of neutral and black workout clothing, I figured these would be a nice little fun pop of color for the summer and the fall. To be honest, I'll wear these in the fall too, but I just thought they were so interesting. And these are the Swiss engineering version, if that means anything to you guys. Let me just give you a close-up, because you have to see it in person in order to like appreciate this shoe. So if you guys go into Nordstrom, just look at them, try them on, let me know what you think. But I like them. I really like them. So I'm gonna put those on, and we're going back to the station. I'm gonna get this guy ready and we're gonna head out. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you all enjoyed the little things that I shared with you all. Don't forget to check out my Obsessed With It page. It's linked below under shop here. That has all of my Nordstrom sale recs and wishlist items, things that I've already purchased, things that I would recommend. Check out that list. Start getting your wish list together, guys, because the sale opens to everyone on the 17th. Today is the 14th, so you got a little bit of time. But I strongly suggest getting your wish list together or going into store. If you are interested in getting a Nordstrom card, that's something you can do, and you can go ahead and start shopping now. You would think he would be afraid of the vacuum, but no, he literally chases after this thing around the house. It's so funny. Let me get out of here before my child destroys the house, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.